Good morning. I know I look about 90 years old today, but my hay fever is really, kicking in. My eyes, bad. Monday morning, let's go. Week 3, I'll show you what we're doing. So, here we are. We're back. Yeah, it's been a busy week. We had 276 Cedar slats turn up, which were all stacked up on there. So the process was basically we had to use Osmo oil, and we're giving it 3 coats, each individual slat, one side, the other side, the edge and the 2 ends. So we've had stations set up, so station here, station there, and then we've had stations for letting it dry. So we've had 3 men oiling it up throughout about 3 days. So it's taken a long time, and we've managed to get 1 panel up so far. So this is not completely finished yet. This is our straight edge. That's not staying, obviously. So we've got 1 panel up so far, but we've got to put some more battens. We're going to be doing battens every 300 to just shore it up, so it's all nice and all the joints are nice and straight, and the same gaps. So we've got 5mm gaps, which I think the smaller the gap, the better. I think it's absolutely fantastic. So we've got the lights coming in as well. We've got electricians sorting all that out. We've got some of the type 1 down for the patio. We need to get some more done. We've got a delivery coming tomorrow, but my main aim this week is to get all the cedar finished on this side and at the back as well. But yeah, cedar's getting done today. I want to get these, also want to get the step in here. Sorry, back and forth. I want to get the step in here. So we're getting the porcelain delivered as well this week. So yeah, big push this week. Mate, honestly, my eyes, they're like streaming. Last night I couldn't even sleep. My friggin' nose. Like, you should film it. Fantastic. Yeah, I know, yeah. Hay fever's real. They probably think I'm like hungover. Like that. Alright. So I'm going to show you the tree. The amazing tree. So my Wally brother's been in. Nah, he's good. He's a chippy, so he's carved around this tree. So that's holding that, and then it's exactly the same on this side as well. And then he's coming in Friday because we've got to put a shed up, and this has all got to be cut back, but he's gonna cut the battens in so that it makes it look really, really nice and neat. So it makes it look absolutely bloody great, mate. Yeah, come on. Morning, and we are back, end of week 3, and I'm going to show you what we've been doing. So, basically, finishing all the battens, and we've had to get around this tree. So basically, this tree was right in the middle of the fence line, so we had a bit of an issue with what to do and how to finish it, so we obviously couldn't cut it down. So this is the best that we could do. We've very neatly, well, not I'll say me, but my brother, who's very, very good, which I'll tag you in his company. So he's very neatly cut around this tree, which looks the bollocks, doesn't it? Looks really, really good. So that has been finished. We started building the shed. We've literally got a tiny little bit to do, some of the fascias, and then a little bit more felt to put on top, and then that is completed. We've done all the battens at the back. Everything else has been, we've put all the battens at the back as well to shore it all up. We've got a couple more to put in here just to shore it up behind, just so all the gaps are all exactly the same size. 5mm we've done. Then obviously we've got, the only rest of the batten to do is the cedar, just to come into this bit here and tuck it behind the shed. And then that is it. And then, yeah, ready to start week 4 and pushing on. Yeah, man.